Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial about WordPress. Today we are going to learn how to install a WordPress theme. And to do that we have two simple ways. One is by searching on the market, and to do that we go to the dashboard, Appearance, Themes, Add New. Here you have some featured themes, but you can also search about whatever the case of your website is, for example coffee shop. And here we see a bunch of coffee shop themes, but we are going to use another one. And the theme that I have chosen is this one. It's a free theme and with a pro version. I've downloaded it like a zip file, and to install it in our WordPress you just go like this, choose file, and here it is. Install now. Before activating the theme you have the option to live preview it, and to do that you just click this button. This is how the website is going to look after you install the theme. You go back, so go to themes and activate this theme. We see that here we got two errors or warnings, and it says that Elementor Page Builder plugin is a must require plugin for this theme. What does that mean? That every theme has its own plugins that are required for the theme to work. And to install this plugin, we just press this button here that is getting started. And first thing that we do here is install the plugin. We press both of them. There are two stages of a plugin: the installing after the plugin is installed, and the activation stage after the plugin is installed, is activated, and in this way you can use it the same way you do with themes. Okay, activate Elementor. So now we have this theme activated and installed, and next thing we usually do is import the demo data. And to do that we go to Appearance, Import Demo Data. Let me say that for different themes there are different ways to import the demo data, but usually you got here or under the tools or settings. We got an error here, but don't worry about that. What we need to see now is the appearance of our website, and to do that we press the visit site, control click, and as we preview it before, this is how the website looks now. We need to work also with menus, change the slider, and also the home page. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you, goodbye.